trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're in our chip making facility. We have all the chip making machines, saws, lathes, mills. They're all here on our floor. We're going to go over a really nice machine. This machine does look new, but it's actually a pre-owned used machine. We do get some really nice deals in here. So we're also a Atrump dealer, so we know exactly what we're getting when we buy our machinery, and this was one of the cream of the crop. Has a Centroid M400 color monitor, very nice controller, very easy to use. A lot of people know how to use them. You can get parts availability very easily. It's got a 10 by 50 table, so it's a really big machine. It's got a Cat 40 tool holder, which is different than most of the tool holders you might see, which is the standard R8. That's going to be a Bridgeport size. It's going to be a little bit heavier, make you put some bigger tools in there if you need to. You can see the table's in excellent condition. There's not a hole on it. The head is a 5 horsepower inverter head. What that means is you're going to be able to change the speeds from this controller right here. That's going to change it, the power of the head. You've got a power drawbar on the top. That's going to allow you to hit in and out. Just drop your collet right down, push it right back in. This machine's really, really made for production. It's got the auto lube on it also. Another thing I wanted to talk about, just to kind of give you an idea of what this is called. This is a CNC bed milling machine. The reason they call it a bed mill is because it's not on a knee like a standard Bridgeport would be. Standard Bridgeport, the knee's going to rise up, rise back down on a knee. This machine, everything happens here in the head. The Z is going to go up and down on the head, and it'll be controlled through the controller. I'm just going to show you a simple little program. We've got everything homing, ready to go. Of course, as I say, we are a distributor of Atrump, so we can get everything going here. The machine comes with a Sterling certified warranty. I'm going to go ahead and hit cycle start. You'll notice our table's going to start homing. We got our spindle turned on now. We have a dwell set, and we're going to come right down into our piece. You can see our XYZ readout, letting us know exactly where we're going. Here's the actual program, all the G codes stuck in there very nicely. Got a slot on the side here for your discs. You can go Ethernet or different COM ports in the back. Here you can see, we'll increase the speed, you can hear it. We can slow our feed rate to just a crawl. You'll notice the table's just crawling now. Our head's going back up. And our program's complete. We'll do it one more time just so you can see everything going again. Let's cycle start. Gets everything going. Starting up our head again. We'll increase the speed of the head. You can hear it increase. Or decrease. And now we'll increase the feed rate. You'll notice the table moving a lot quicker now. Again, this is a used machine, all original paint, all original. You can take a look at everything, you can see just a few little scrapes on there. It's really amazing that nobody used this machine very often. They took very good care of it. And it's all ready to go. Now, if you're interested in this mill or another, we have new and used, all different brands. If you want to trade something in, give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website, complete financing options, and our inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.